Wait, I know you enjoyed that amazing video. Don't worry, I will teach you how you can also create something like that in a minute. But first, to subscribe this channel and let's get started.
To record this type of video you just watched 1 minute ago, the first thing you have to do is to head over to your ChatGPT. I've been talking about ChatGPT for a long time. In fact, almost my video I use ChatGPT to generate my prompt. So here, as you can see, this is what I gave to ChatGPT here. This is the prompt I gave to ChatGPT. I said, I want to create 3D videos of a boy and a girl playing around the house with small dog. So I want you to create me the full video scene. I will be using Grok AI to generate the video, and Grok AI only generate 6-second video. So what the scene should be 6 seconds each, and the video should be consistent with what the bot character will say on each scene. Make it a professional prompt. So you guys will see the prompt and what I tell ChatGPT, and this is what ChatGPT gave to me. As you can see, global character consistency using every scene. So this is what ChatGPT gave to me. Now this is our first scene for today. As you can see, scene 1, which is 6 seconds. As you can see, this is our scene 1. This is our scene 2, this is our scene 3, this is scene 4, scene 5, and all. So now I'll be showing you guys how you can use this scene and create a video for yourself. That kind of video you just see 1 minute ago. Now the next thing we have to do is to head over to Grok AI. If you don't know Grok AI, you can visit any of your browser or any browser and click on Grok AI, or you can also download the app from your Google Play Store. Now this is Grok AI. After you enter Grok AI on your phone, the first thing, or your system, the first thing you have to do is to locate your profile. Here, when you click on your profile, you come to settings. When you click on settings, the next thing you are going to do is to click on this behavior. As you can see, you click on behavior. Now, when you click on behavior, you scroll down. When you scroll down, you are going to see enable auto video generation. As you can see, enable auto video generation. Make sure you turn it off. If your own is on, make sure you turn it off. And after you turn it off, the next thing you are going to do is to come to Grok AI here like this. Now, as you can see, the first thing you have to do is to click on this imagine here. As you can see, you click on imagine. Now, when you click on imagine, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, when you bring it to an interface like this, if you are using laptop or desktop like me, you change this to video. As you can see, you change it to video and you select your ratio. As you can see, your ratio here. So I'll be using 3.2 because I want to upload this video on YouTube. So the next thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. Now this is ChatGPT. The first thing we are going to do is to copy our first prompt. Now this is our first prompt here. As you can see, this is our first prompt. We copy it. We copy everything. We click on copied. We copy everything. We click on copy. After we copy, we go back to Grok AI. This is Grok AI. Now we put our prompt here. As you can see, we paste our prompt here. We click on paste. Now we paste our prompt. The next thing we are going to do is to click on this continue here. As you can see, we click on it. Now when we click on it, we have to give it some minute and it's going to generate our video for us. So now let's give it some minute and it's going to generate our video, because Grok AI is one of the best AI tools that can generate image to video within 1 minute. It's not even up to 1 minute and it's going to generate the video. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe so that you'll be seeing more videos like this. Now let's wait for it to complete the generation. Now after it generates the video, as you can see, this is the video. This is the video already. As you guys can see, this is the video. Now after it generates the video, the next thing we are going to do is to post it. After we post it, this ending side, as you can see, this play side, you drag it to the end. When you drag it to the end, you right click on your desktop. If you are using laptop, this is going to work for you, but if you are using a phone, it cannot work for you. You are going to see a video which I'm going to show up here by the end of this video. Make sure you watch that video. So if you are using a mobile phone, it's going to show you how you are going to do this method with your mobile phone. So make sure you watch that video. Now, if you are using laptop, you come to copy video frame. As you can see, copy video frame. You click on it. When you click on it, the next thing you are going to do is to go back. When you go back, so that it will continue our character. make sure you go back. Now you go back, you come back to this imagine here, you paste the video frame you just copy right now, you paste it here. Now after you paste it, so that we get a consistency character and our video is going to work perfectly just the way we want it. Now as you can see, it has copied the image frame here, so that when next we put our next prompt, is going to generate the video smoothly without adding any ending part. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go back to ChatGPT again. This is ChatGPT. Now this time we are copying our second scene. This is our second scene. We click on copied. After clicking on copy, we go back to Grok AI, then we paste it here. As you can see, we click on paste and we paste it here. Then the next thing, we click on generate video. So you guys are going to see how this will look so nice. It will continue from where it stopped. So this is the new method which you can use to generate long videos. We all know that Grok AI is generating 6-second videos, but with this method you are going to generate long videos. So all you just have to do is to wait for it to complete, and when it complete, you use the same method which you used for the first time. You use the same method for all your scenes. Now it has completed the video. Now as you guys can see, this is the second one. You will not know that the videos has even ended. You will not even know. So you download the video to your phone. Now the next thing you are going to do, you post it again, you move this to the end. When you move this to the end, you right click. Now when you right click, the next thing you click on copy video frame again. Then you go back. When you go back, you come back here and you paste the video frame. When you click on paste, the next thing you are going to do is to go back to ChatGPT again. You come back to ChatGPT, you copy your next scene. The next scene we have here, that is scene 3. You copy the scene 3. Let's click on copied. After you copy, you go back to Grok AI and you paste your prompt here. As you can see, you paste the prompt so that the video will continue. Now you click on generate video and it's going to generate the video for you. And after you generate all the entire scene, all you just have to do is just to download them to your phone. And you click on download here and it's going to be downloaded to your laptop or your phone. And after it has successfully downloaded, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to any of your editing tools. You can use CapCut, Video VN, or you can use inside any video editing tool you like using. You can use it. Now as you can see, this is our video. The next thing, click on download. Now after you have successfully download all the entire scene of the video, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to your editing tool. Now I'll be using CapCut. Now after on CapCut, you are going to upload all the video, and after you upload all the video, then you edit it, you put your ending screen, everything, your transition, you put everything, and you are going to export your video. And when you export your video is going to look like just the one you were watching at the beginning of this video. So this is how it's going to do. Now if you have any question, or you are facing challenges, or you're having any issue, you let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to make a full video about it and show you how it works. So if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.